Today, I'm going to walk you through how to unblock Cloudflare on Chrome, specifically from the perspective of a website administrator. If you manage a site that uses Cloudflare, and you're getting reports from real people, maybe loyal visitors or even colleagues, that they can't access your site, this guide is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly investigate these issues, create targeted exceptions, and fine-tune your security settings so legitimate users can browse freely without putting your site at risk. Let's dive right in. Imagine you start hearing from users they're seeing a 403 forbidden message, or a page telling them their access is blocked by Cloudflare. As a site admin, your first mission is to figure out what's going on behind the scenes. Head over to your Cloudflare dashboard and from the main navigation, go to the Security section, then click on Events. This is where Cloudflare logs all blocking actions, including details about things like the user's IP address, why Cloudflare thinks they're suspicious, and a unique Ray ID for every event. Why bother with the logs first? Because Cloudflare's security is often triggered by particular patterns, maybe an IP address associated with spam, or someone using a VPN. By checking the logs for that specific user's Ray ID, the little code you'll find on their block page, you can see exactly which rule was triggered and get the full context. Take your time here, search for the Ray ID, review the entry, and make a note of what's caused the issue. Sometimes it's legit, maybe a real attack was blocked. But if this is a trusted visitor, you'll want to help them out. Next up, let's talk about exceptions. If you discover that a security rule is getting in the way, maybe your firewall is a little too strict, you can create a custom rule to bypass it just for that user, rather than opening the floodgates for everyone. Still in your Cloudflare dashboard, navigate to the Web Application Firewall or WAF. Here, you'll create a new custom rule. Set the condition based on the user's IP address. You can ask the blocked visitor for their IP if you don't have it, or something unique about their browser, like the user agent. Then set the action to skip or allow. What you're doing here is a bit like giving that person a special backstage pass. They're allowed in, while everyone else still faces the usual security. Remember, it's smart security practice to be precise here. Only unblock exactly what's needed. Try not to bypass security for big groups unless you're certain it's safe. And don't worry, if you make a mistake, you can always edit or delete the rule later. Finally, maybe you notice a pattern. Lots of legitimate users are getting blocked. Sometimes Cloudflare settings can be a bit overzealous, especially if your site gets international traffic or your users are a diverse bunch. If that's the case, head over to the Security Settings area in the dashboard. You'll see the security level slider. If it's currently on high, try lowering it to medium, or even low if you feel comfortable. What this does is reduce how strict Cloudflare is when deciding who gets challenged or blocked. It's a balancing act. More security can mean more false positives, but too little could leave your site exposed. Adjust gradually and check back to see if the reports go away, and that's it. With these strategies, checking your security logs, creating custom exceptions, and adjusting your overall security level, you'll be able to keep your website safe, while making sure your real users aren't left out in the cold. If this helped solve your issue or raised new questions, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more straightforward guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.